Hello everyone, this is Neha Sharma here, and today in this video we will learn about conjunctions. So this is very interesting and important topic of your grammar book. So we have to study today about conjunctions. So dear students, conjunctions are the words which are used to connect the sentences, words, phrases and clauses. They are also called connectors or linkers also. Here on your screen you can see some of the words. First word written here is because. Second word is when. Third is so, but, and, then. Suppose I am speaking a sentence, this school is very good and all the teachers are excellent. So here in a way I have two sentences. This school is very good was the first sentence, and the second was the teachers are excellent. But I made one sentence only, that is what? This school is very good and the teachers are excellent, right? So to join two sentences together, I have used one word as a connector, and that word was and in the sentence. So and is working as a connector or a linker or a conjunction in a sentence. So what is the definition of conjunction? Conjunctions are the words that link other words, phrases or clauses together. Okay. Here with this example you can understand it more clearly, and the sentence says, I like cooking and eating, but I don't like washing dishes afterwards. Okay, so this is one sentence. First one is, I like cooking and eating, but I don't like washing. So here in this sentence you may notice I have written the words with green here, or in green ink I have written the words. So I like cooking and eating, but I don't like washing. So these words and but, right, are the connectors which are joining two sentences. I like cooking, I like eating, I don't like washing dishes afterwards. So these three sentences are connected with these two words and but. So what is the sentence? I like cooking and eating, but I don't like washing dishes afterwards. So and but are connectors or the linkers or the conjunctions in the sentence. Second sentence is, Sophie is clearly exhausted, yet she insists on dancing till dawn. So here the word yet, which is written in green ink, is working as an connector or the conjunction. Clear? So the words which are used to connect the sentences, words, phrases and clauses are known as conjunctions. This much we have studied. In other words, a conjunction is the glue that holds words, phrases and clauses, and here both the dependent and the independent clauses together. About this dependent and independent clause I will tell you afterwards that what are these clauses, okay, and what are dependent clauses and what are independent clauses. Though we have done in one of the topic when we did simple compound complex sentences, so there I've told you about these clauses, but we will revise this in detail, right? So in other words, the definition can be, a conjunction is that glue that hold words, phrases and clauses both dependent and independent together. Now we have to work on kinds of conjunctions. So here we have three kinds of conjunction. Number one is coordinating conjunctions. You can see here on your screen, and the examples for this is for, and, neither, but, nor, yes, so, and the abbreviation of this is fanboys. The second one is subordinate conjunction. The second kind of conjunction is subordinate conjunction. So here after, although, unless, because, in order, since, if, that, these are subordinate conjunctions. And the third and the last kind of the conjunctions is correlative conjunctions. correlative conjunctions, where examples of these correlative conjunctions are not only, right? Two words, correlative. Not only, but also, neither nor, though and yet, right? So these are the examples of coordinate conjunctions. So what we have learnt till now, that conjunctions are the words which are used to connect sentences, words, phrases and clauses. They can be of three kinds. Number one is coordinate conjunction, number two is subordinate conjunction, and the third one is correlative conjunction. Now we will learn in detail the different kinds of conjunction. So first, as it is written on your screen about something, abbreviation is there, that is what fanboys. So let's understand what the fanboys are. First is coordinating conjunctions. Our question was, what are coordinating conjunctions? So what coordinating conjunctions are what come to most people's mind when they hear word conjunction. They join together words, phrases and independent clauses. Okay, again you have to notice this, independent clauses. Independent clauses are also known as main clause also, right? And these are known as principal clauses also. Main clause and principal clauses also. When I'm talking about these independent clauses, you have to remember main clause or the principal clause. Okay, and this principal clause and main clause and this independent clause, both are same, all three are same, and it means that they are not depend on any other part of the sentence to get the complete meaning. Means they are having their own meaning if they are not attached with something else. So also they are giving their perfect and the complete meaning. Means the complete thought is there in that particular part of the sentence. So that is what clause. And moreover, I'll tell you the difference between phrase and clause here, that the phrases are the group of words which are without subjects and verb, but the clauses are the words or the group of the sentences which are having the subjects and the verbs. Means they are complete sentences in a way. So that's why it is written independent clauses, independent, which are not depend on anything. Okay, so main clause also this is also known as principal clause. So let's have a look once again on this, that what is a coordinate conjunction. Coordinate conjunction are what come to the people's mind when they hear the word conjunction. They join together words, phrases and independent clauses. Now see it more clearly. Now we have to learn in detail that what are coordinate conjunctions. So here on your screen you can see coordinate conjunctions, and there are 7 of them, and they are easy to remember if you can just think of this acronym. And the acronym on your screen you can see what it is, what fanboys. Okay, where F stand for, F stand for, F-O-R, for. A stand for, this is for, A stand for and, right? A for and, N for nor, N for nor, B for but, O for otherwise or, Y for yet, and S for so. Please learn again. It is what? F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or otherwise, Y for yet, and S for so. Right? So these are the words which you have to learn. Now let's have a complete look of these. So coordinate conjunctions. These words connect words, phrases and clauses, right? F for A and, N nor, B but, O or, Y yet, S so. Now have a look on the examples which I have written here for you. So the first sentence, which is having for, Sam drank some water for he was thirsty. So this word for, which is written in red ink, that is working as a coordinate conjunction, right? And this is used to join two sentences. Now I take milk, second one, and second one is and. So let's have understand the use of and. I take milk and sugar in my tea. I take milk and sugar in my tea. So this word and and is working as coordinate conjunction. Third one is what? Third one is nor, right? And for nor. So the use of nor is Sarah does not like apples, nor does she like pears. Okay, the choice is nothing. No, not apples, not pears. Next one is B. So B is for but. All the children wanted to eat pizza, but no one wanted to buy it. But, so but, this yellow color is referring to this B, and B is for but, right? Next one is or. So O is for or, and this gray is we could go to a zoo, or we could go to a theme park, right? That is the example of or. Next is what? Yet. Again with red, it is the weather was cold and wet, yet we enjoyed very much. So this yet is working as what? This yet is working as coordinate conjunction once again. And the last one is he is sick. He is sick, so he is not going to school. So as for so. Once again you will speak with me, fanboys. This is the abbreviation of coordinate conjunctions, right? F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so, right? So these are the examples which you have to write and learn in your notebook. Next one is for explains the reasons or the purpose, just like because, right? Like I am upset, like she drank water for she was thirsty. So because she was thirsty in a way. So can be just like use, we can use this for as because. And adds one thing to another of the same kind. Nor used to present an alternative negative idea to an already stated negative idea, right? Means when there is nor she has taken nor something, na to ye liya, na to wo liya. So this is what? Nor. And it is used to present alternative negative idea. एक के बाद एक continuation में no negative thoughts आते रहे. But shows the contrast when something opposite is happening here. So that is what? But. Or presents an alternative or a choice, right? Suppose I am asking you, what do you like, tea or coffee? So that's what? That's a choice or alternative for that. Yet, introducing a contrasting idea that follows the preceding idea logically, and so indicates the effect or the result or the consequence. So this is also very important, which you have to note down in your notebook, because in your grammar book it is not given. So it's quite important for you people to learn like this. So what we have learned about coordinate conjunctions, the fanboys, right? Now we will see some more examples of of the kind where these conjunctions, coordinate conjunctions are used. So let's have a look on this. The first one is I go to the park every Sunday, for I love to watch the ducks on the lake. So this word for is what? This for is working as coordinate conjunction here, which is joining two sentences together. Next one is I watch the ducks on the lake and the shirtless men playing soccer. So this is what? And, right? I don't go for the fresh air, not for the ducks. I just like soccer. So nor. This word is nor. So nor is the conjunction here. Soccer is entertaining in winter, but it's better in the heat of summer. So this but is used as conjunction here. So please note down these sentences too. The men play on two teams, shirts or skin. So shirt is the name of the team, and skin is also one name of the skin. So it is what? Or, right? It's a choice, alternative for that. I always take a book to read, yet I never seem to turn a single page. So all 7 coordinate conjunctions we dealt here in these sentences. So that's all for today, students. Now you have to make the notes of this. You have to learn all the coordinate conjunctions, and in the next video we will meet with the same topic. Till then, note, learn, and be happy, be safe. Thank you very much.